If you want to add an advanced kitchen appliance in your kitchen to facilitate your daily cooking, you are at the right place. We'll discuss the best convection ovens which not only minimize your cooking time, but also prove to be energy efficient. Whether you are a beginner or a cooking expert, you can cook multiple delicious yet healthy meals in the following best countertop convection oven. You can cook delicious and healthy meals such as cakes, pizza, or cookies. A convection oven outshines a conventional oven with its advanced heating element and consistent temperature. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best convection oven for kitchen. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 5. COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo offers 12-in-1 cooking presets, so that you don't have to worry about setting the required time or temperature. The additional air fryer feature cooks delicious yet healthy meals by reducing 85% fat than conventional fried food. You no longer have to get into the debate of air fryer versus convection oven if you opt for the COSORI Multi-Purpose Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Not to mention it's the only convection oven in our list with the added functionality of an air fryer. This extra-large air fryer toaster oven combo offers a 30L/32 quarts cooking capacity to fit 6 slices of toast, 13 inches pizza, or 5 pounds of chicken. The exterior is an elegant combination of stainless steel finish and a double-layer glass door. A wide handlebar on the top allows you to glide the oven door. Furthermore, a digital display and other control knobs are available on the right side. Number 4. Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven with Convection. The Toshiba Countertop Microwave Oven with Convection is a perfect combination of style and high-tech features with its stainless steel finish and pre-programmed sensor menu. Not only that, but it's essentially a multifunctional convection oven with combined microwave functionality. It includes a sensor-based cooking function and an auto menu with one-touch start buttons and reheating function. You can find the auto menu right above the keypad, available on the right side. The 3 buttons allow you to opt for convection only, microwave, or a combo. You can use the internal grill rack upon selecting the convection mode. Other cooking options include favorite, auto bake, warm hold, time defrost, sensor cook, and many more. The warm hold function can keep your dishes warm before serving for up to 99 minutes. Number 3. Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven features digital settings for different cooking options, including pizza, broil, toast, defrost, and bake. This multifunctional convection oven comes with a large and easy-to-clean interior to fit a family-sized chicken. One of the distinct features which allow this best air fryer convection oven to outshine the previously discussed convection ovens is its digital control panel. Both of the convection ovens reviewed above include manual knobs to adjust the settings. The Oster convection oven allows you to set the temperature anywhere between 200°F and 450°F degrees. Additionally, you can select the timer for up to 90 minutes with the automatic shut-off feature to turn off the oven to save energy. The door is made of glass, so that you can view the cooking progress without opening the door. You can open the door past 90 degrees without any resistance. However, the glass is quite delicate and exerting too much force can make the door drop. Number 2. Wolf Gourmet Elite Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Introduced in 2018, the Wolf Gourmet Elite Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven is a relatively new toaster oven with 7 cooking modes. Other features include internal light, precise temperature control, and energy efficiency. Wolf has been designing reliable kitchen appliances since the early 1930s to automate the cooking process for restaurants and homes. This one-for-all and all-for-one convection toaster oven is the best small convection oven because of its precision temperature probe, which allows you to measure up to 550 degrees. It comes with a brushed stainless steel exterior and colorful knobs. You can use the probe functionality by inserting the probe jack in the oven wall and the other ends of the probe in the food. This way, you can closely monitor the rise in food's temperature until it reaches the desired temperature. Moreover, you no longer need to open the door to check if you have achieved your steak's required doneness level. Number 1. Breville Smart Convection Toaster Oven. The Breville Smart Convection Toaster Oven is one of the best convection toaster ovens because of its advanced element IQ system and 9 cooking functions. Additionally, it minimizes the cooking time up to 30%, courtesy of its smart convection settings. The exterior is well insulated, preventing your hands from getting burnt while opening the door. The magnetic rack pulls out halfway when you open the door, so that you don't touch the hot inner edges. Furthermore, the interior comes coated with a non-stick material to facilitate convenient cleaning. The Breville Smart Convection Oven weighs around 7.7 kilograms, which makes it harder for you to transport. Courtesy of the patented Element IQ heating system, the Breville Convection Oven automatically detects the areas which require more heat. It implies that it heats up and cools down faster than the rest of the convection ovens. That was our list of the top 5 best convection oven for kitchen just for you.